Morning to all. I am Dr. J. Jamuna Rani, Assistant Professor of Commerce, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we'll see about the functions of finance and the role of finance manager. Now we'll see about the functions of finance. The functions of finance is basically classified into three. They are financing decision, investment decision, and dividend decision. For any business firm, these three decisions are very much important. Now we'll see one by one. The first one is financing decision. Financing decision is nothing but the decision which is concerned with the amount of finance to be raised from various sources of funds. Here, the various sources means it may be a long-term source or short-term source. But in the normal course of business, almost all the firms will use the long-term sources, namely debt, equity, and preference. These are the commonly used long-term sources of finance. We can say it in other words. This is the decision on capital structure of the company. The capital structure is nothing but the proportion of various long-term sources. That is the debt and equity mix. This capital structure, we can explain it as owner's fund plus borrowed fund. Here the owner's fund is nothing but your equity, your retained earnings, or known as owner's fund, and the borrowed fund is the debt you are going to borrow from the outsiders. It may be a bond, it may be a debenture, it may be a loan from any financial institution or from banks. So the financial decision is nothing but it is the amount of funds which is raised from various sources. Here the finance manager has to maintain a proper balance between these two sources of fund, that is the long-term sources and short-term sources of fund. In simple, we can say it is the ratio between the outsider's long-term fund and owner's fund. Now we'll see the investment decision. Once the fund was procured through long-term and short-term sources, the next step of the financial manager is to take decision regarding this investment. It is one of the important function of any business concern. This investment decision is nothing but a decision which is concerned with how the firm's funds are invested in different assets. That is known as investment decision. That is, the investment decision can be long-term or short-term. The long-term investment is nothing but investing the funds in the long-term assets, namely the fixed asset. And investing in the short-term asset is termed as short-term investment decision, which is also known as working capital decision, which affects the day-to-day working of the business. It includes the decision about the level of cash, inventory, and receivables. Investment in the fixed asset are long-term in nature. Basically, fixed asset is the source of earning of the firm. On the other hand, the current assets do not directly contribute to the earning, but their existence is necessary for proper, efficient, and optimum utilization of this fixed asset, that is the long-term asset. So the finance manager, before investing, he has to evaluate the profitability of every investment proposal. Now we'll see the other important function, that is the dividend decision. This dividend decision is nothing but the decision which is concerned with deciding how much of the profit earned by the company should be distributed among the shareholder and how much is to be retained for the future contingency is called as dividend decision. That is, the profit earned by the company is either is distributed by way of dividend or it can be retained as the return earnings. So, the finance manager has to decide whether we have to retain the fund or we can distribute the profit. So, this is termed dividend decision. The dividend is nothing but it is part of the profit which is distributed to the shareholder, and the decision regarding this dividend should be taken keeping in view the overall objective, that is maximization of the shareholders wealth. That should be kept in the mind of the finance manager. Then only he has to decide how much is to be distributed to the shareholders and how much is to be retained by the company. Now we'll see about the role of finance manager. The finance manager have several roles to be performed. In this video, we'll see some important roles of the finance manager. In that, the first one is forecasting financial requirement. It is the first and foremost duty of the finance manager to forecast the required fund in the firm. That is, the fund, certain funds are required for long-term purpose and certain other funds are required for short-term purpose. He has to forecast how much is needed for long-term and how much is needed for short-term. A careful estimate of such fund and the exact timing of the fund requirement should be forecasted by him. And this is regard to this forecast of financial requirement. Okay, this is the thing about the three important decision of any business firm, that is financing decision, investment decision and dividend decision. Once again, I'll repeat all this in simple words. Financing decision is nothing but deciding the sources to be raised, whether it can be a long term or it can be short term. And the next one is investment decision, that is investing in what kind of assets, whether it can be a fixed asset or it can be current asset. And the third one is dividend decision. Regarding this dividend, whether we have to distribute the profit as dividend or we have to retain by the firm as retained earnings. Decision regarding this is termed as dividend decision. The next role of finance manager is supply of funds to all parts of the organization. Here, the finance manager has to ensure that all the parts, that is all the department, are supplied with adequate funds. It is necessary for any business that it should have adequate cash supply so that there will be a smooth flow of business operation. So it is the duty of the finance manager to make sure that all parts of the department, all parts of the organization are supplied with adequate fund. The next role of finance manager is evaluating the financial performance. That is, the finance manager has to review the financial performance of the organization. He has to review the various department units of the organization. Here, the return on investment will help the manager to assess the financial performance. So, analysis of financial performance helps the management for assessing how the funds have been utilized by various divisions of the organization. The next role is financial negotiation. The major part of the time of finance manager is dedicated in this negotiating financial issues. He'll frequently negotiate with the bank and public depositors and who all involved in the firm directly and indirectly. So it is important role of this finance manager to negotiate with the people and supplying the information, furnishing the information required by these persons. The next important role of the finance manager is financial control. Here, the finance manager has not only to plan, procure, and utilize the fund, but he has also has to exercise control over the finance. This can be done through many techniques like ratio analysis, cost and profit control, etc. Now we'll see management of cash. Being the finance manager, he has to monitor and control the flow of cash that comes in and goes out of the company to meet the company's business investment needs. For example, he must project cash flows, that is the amount coming in and going out, to determine whether the company is having enough cash or have more cash than needed. So, it is the duty of the finance manager to manage the cash. I hope now you are familiar with the functions of finance and the role of finance manager. Thank you for your patience listening.